Hello and welcome to a new car boot video on Be Lucky's Car Boot Hunt channel.
Alright, good morning. Here we are at Chelmer Valley. Everybody's running for their lives. Cheers, mate, thanks. Take 10 for 2? No? Okay, so that's because that was damaged, you see, this way. No, thanks. Okay. How do you go then?
Trains and five, they kept 2 pence for a fiver.
Hang on, I've got the lift.
Oh yeah.
Morning, anything today?
No. I was talking to some people that she might give me something. Alright, how much is that?
Yeah.
I've got the lid for it, it's a tenner.
Tenner? Alright.
Yeah. I haven't got anything.
No idea. I've got absolutely no. I have got a Scooby-Doo. What's your caps? Are they all 50 pence?
What, love?
Are they all 50 pence?
All 50? Yeah.
I'll take a gamble. How much are your wallies?
Ready? Oh, shit. I've got time. Oh, fucking hell.
That's alright. How much are your wallies?
Two.
So I owe you £4, yeah?
Yes.
There you go.
Cheers, thank you.
Cheers. Oh, sorry.
You know what I thought he was? I thought he was old boy the same. I was like, fuck's sake. Threw my head in. I've got something for you. Pardon? Are you a scouser?
Yeah.
Alright, that's alright. I'll go to a good
How much is that, mate?
£2. I've got something for you.
Alright, come on. Is it free?
It is free.
Oh, good man.
95 is okay, or 20 pounds? Sorry, because
No, I'm good at that, brother.
I got just one. Thanks. Sorry for that.
No worries.
Oh, lovely. Oh, my, that's lovely, but how much owe you?
Nothing, that one's on the hats.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
No worries.
See?
I thought it'd go to a
This
good
is how
pub.
you people like you. Oh, I look after that.
Yeah, I thought of you when I had it.
Ah, good man. Oh, very kind of you. But not doing very well so far this year.
They're doing or they're not doing?
Not doing very well. How much do you book here?
It goes in the bag. It's the
How much is the bag?
another £2 you can have them.
Yeah, okay. Oh, man, that's very kind of you, mate. It's 4.
Oh, the other train? Yeah. My money's on it in there. Yeah. I thought an hour would be enough to get set out, but
No.
you get pillaged before you get in.
Yeah, you changed the times, didn't he? What's your camera?
I'll do it for you for a £5, mate.
Yeah, you missed the front bit there.
Wait, there's a one of these books goes to it as well.
Yeah, that's been knocked out.
Is it this one? Yeah, that's the book for it, but that's not on old much, is it?
No.
Oh, that's the book to it. £3.
How much do I owe you?
Is that 1 week?
4 out of 5, it's 9. That's 10.
Thank you. Thank you. For you.
Cheers, mate, thank you.
Cheers.
Yeah, thanks, sir. I really appreciate it. That's very kind of you.
No worries, mate.
Yeah. Going tomorrow?
I might. I don't know whether to stay a little bit later and go Harlow.
Yeah.
Or then just go really like in and nip all the way back.
I know, it's a bit of a drive, isn't
It's a
it?
little bit of a trek. I'll see how I feel in the morning.
That's it, mate.
Alright, mate. I'll see you tomorrow, mate.
Alright, mate. Take care. How much is this? 30. Alright. That's no worries. Yeah, it's a carry thing.
That's it, yeah.
There's a part missing there though.
Yeah, I know, mate.
Yeah. How much is that?
£4, mate.
4 quid. Alright. I'll come back to that. How much are those vehicles?
I don't know, 20 pence each.
How much one for the 2 boxes?
£5.
Yeah, okay. There you go, sir.
Brilliant, cheers mate.
Thank you. That's what I like, decisive decisions.
No worries mate.
Yeah, I know much do you want for?
I want 40 quid for that.
Ah, well. You're
And then the Japanese come up and thinks it's for a desk.
Yeah.
It's got like stapler and stuff in everything. It actually sits on the desk. It's like from 1980.
Yeah, I think Japanese are always 20 years ahead of everybody.
Mental.
Yeah,
It's got post-it notes in it, a pen.
I used to have
everything. It's just mental.
I used to have a car, a Japanese car, and used to have a computer in it, and that was in 1980s. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, lovely.
Cheers, have a good
Oh, what's this here?
Danny, to be honest. You do everything out before you're getting out.
I have jackets.
What's your shirt?
What brands?
Gans.
Nice.
Let me have another one.
Same, this one 10.
10?
Yeah, of course, it's a brand new.
No, it's not brand new. It's nowhere near brand new. I'll give you 5.
Okay.
There you go.
30, 25.
Thanks.
This is men one. This is men or this is ladies? Okay. 55.
Yeah, nice. Right. Yeah, a bit of hard bargaining there, but you know, sometimes you have to do it.
And that's supposed to be in the 50p fold.
Is it?
I haven't put them down there yet.
All right. Oh, what's this here? That's an Xbox, huh? Sorry. How much is this?
Sorry?
How much is it?
10 quid.
10 quid, alright.
Grand.
I wonder. So look. What's that? Yeah. The future. No, the fits of life. So,
3 quid the pair.
okay.
The adjustable ones. That's 15 quid a lot. That's a target, the boat, and the
Okay.
things in.
What about your torch with screwdrivers?
£3.
Okay.
There's a little torch in here as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what else? Yeah, there you go. Right, what do we want?
£3.
There you go.
Oh, cheers, mate. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you. What's the passcode on there?
What's the password?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Password.
No, it's reset. It's factory reset. It's good
Oh.
to go, mate. Look, how much is
To enter passcode, iPad requires a passcode after restarting.
Oh, is it?
This?
This is the
Oh, that's £2.
It's an old one, isn't
He's saying it needs a password on it.
No.
it? Yeah, you pull that.
Oh, do you know what? I don't even know.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
I'll give him money. No, mobile phones, just telephone.
What is that?
It's weird because I reset it.
Yeah.
Completely reset it, so
Oh, I don't know then.
I don't know. I'll suss that out.
Alright.
Let's take the windows.
40 grand off.
Large deal.
They don't make Rolex don't make that's why the watch itself should be 20 grand, but you pay another 20 grand. Yeah, you take a watch like that.
How much your bag?
Watch like that. They make
How much is that?
5.
How much is it?
Oh, I've found the mum.
take a picture of it from.
Okay. Oh, Regency comes. One of those. How much is your rocker chair? Your rocker chair? The black one, black shirt with the red stripe. Okay. I've never paid that for it, so. Oh, that's a Batman thing. How much over that? It's part missing, I think. So look. Ah, it's come with remote control. Yeah, just go with the remote control. You haven't got the remote control? You haven't got the remote control that goes with it?
Got the
Remote control?
No, just the car.
Oh, right, okay. Alright. That's the beauty of Google. So you get that Google photo thing, you can tell you so much. So, you know, I wouldn't have known that now, really. So if it wasn't for that Google, look at Google up, told me, hold on, there's a motor goes with this. No remote, so well, absolutely worthless, isn't it? Dave would have loved them. You'd have loved them, Dave. All these Sylvanians. You love a bit of Sylvanian, don't you, Dave? You know who you are, Dave.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that's gone, that's gone. I know. Oh dear. You're damaged, I'm afraid.
Steve,
That's it, isn't it?
do me a favour, just double check this one.
Yeah.
I'm 50-50 on it. Not this one. Where's the other one? That's that the kiddie one. No, that's the one. I think this one. It's got a boxy name on it.
How much are these anyway?
The only one I know is good is the GB one.
No, that one isn't right.
No?
No. No. Sorry, Steve, not looking
No
good.
worries, it's alright. That's why they're here.
No.
No? How you tell it by the back of the shirt?
Yeah, because there's no way. There's no way.
They let that go.
they
It's
could
quality control that.
Yeah, they wouldn't even entertain it. And also, what's this? Is this made by who? Nike. Nike Georgia. I don't think Nike makes it. I don't know if Nike's made in Georgia. And who's you on?
Hopefully you.
That's it.
This one I think is
Team GB. This is a real McCoy. Yeah, it's nice and tidy.
yeah. This England one I'm pretty sure is good.
Yeah. Ambro. Yeah, that's okay. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, see, look, you can see the quality of the stitching.
Yeah, and the back of the.
Look at the back of the.
So that's where you're checking it. Yeah. There's no. They left the white stuff on there.
Yeah.
They printed on.
Yeah. So you know that one's okay. This one's okay. So was it £4? Yeah.
Yeah. How you did, alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah. I got some nice fella give me a shirt.
Must have been a nice guy.
Yeah.
I heard he's a handsome guy as well.
No. But you said hold on.
That's a cycling jersey.
How much is that?
Do it £5 for the lot.
Yeah, okay. I'll tell you now. He said that Absolute Radio is coming down tomorrow.
Yeah, I saw it on Facebook.
Yeah.
That's what I was going to sell tomorrow there, but I want to go buy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll go buy it instead.
He's got some. They're doing some auction. He said something called a guitar or something called something. I don't know. He said something Apache. Apparently they got 1 million viewers, and he said that some bloke messaged him and said, "Could he bid £2,000 for it? He'd pay him later." I said, "Yeah, sure." Of course he will. Yeah.
How you doing? Everything good now?
Yeah, it's alright, mate. Yeah.
Did you go Enfield this morning?
No.
No?
No, it's
That's a kiddie one. That.
yeah.
Again, it's got Hunter on the back of them. See, that's what I mean.
That won't be loud, you see.
But then where did they get all this stuff?
Oh yeah, they make them, don't they? You Jersey, right? The same shirt, same maker. Liverpool, Indonesia,
And that one's Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah, mix. Is it the same year, that shirt?
I don't matter. I think Manchester United is Cambodia.
Okay.
Most of their fakes are Thailand.
Ah, you should have been paying more attention.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Didn't see this brother.
She is real, she's real. Well, believe it or not, before I used to wait to gave up putting them up anymore.
Yeah. How much is that?
2 more quid you can have. I'll be in my...
I know you've been too nice. I'm waiting for the catchphrase.
That's it. Cheers. There's no catch.
Alright. Alright, Steve. Alright, thanks for the shirt.
No worries, mate. See you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, see you tomorrow, yeah? I'll give you the shout out with the shirt. You okay with that, yeah?
No, she's alright.
Yeah, stick on the table.
Huh?
Stick on the table. Oh, that's it. Alright, son.
Alright, take care, mate.
Ta-ra, Steve.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next car boot hunt video.